We have taken objective George.
Here, take the fucking car if you want it so badly.
I don't. I just don't want to see if it worked or not.
You just went in. You let me repair it. Let me repair it. Let me repair it.
It is repaired.
Get out, real quick. Get out.
Who just do that shit? Nah.
Get out.
Nah. Whoever just do that, your mom's a hoe.
Oh, you're dead.
Hey, hell. No.
I destroyed it.
No, I did. Someone please tell me who's throwing this. But that dude is right there. Fucking
Get out of my
retard.
artillery truck.
Fuck you.
Get out.
No.
Get out.
No. It's mine. Loser. Finders keepers, losers leapers.
Dude, get out real quick. Get out. There's some guy right here trying to kill you.
Oh shit. Does that mean I gotta get out?
Yeah, dude, get out. Oh my god. Okay, get out for a second. I'm really far away. Get out real quick. Just get out.
Are you sure about that? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh my god, fuck
Yeah,
you.
yeah,
Why'd you
yeah,
do
yeah.
that?
Yeah, man.
Stop!
Yeah,
Stop!
get out.
Why'd you do You actually did damage. That wasn't funny.
I did?
No, I'm serious. It was at 90 and not at 84 for some reason.
Oh. Oh, I didn't know it.
Dude, get out. Let's play in the snow real quick. Is it snowing or is it just coconut shreddings flying in the air? What? Let me hit that horse from here. Did you just throw that?
No. I don't even have those grenades.
We are losing objective Charlie.
Oh, did we just lose those? Why? No, we can't. Yo, come back to F. Put the orders back on F so we can get points.
No, you stupid fuck.
Why?
We have taken objective Duff.
Because I don't want
Are you mad because I stole your truck? Why are you
Not
camping
really.
in there? Yeah, you are. Here, let me give it back to you. Put it back on
I don't want
E because
it.
we can take out E. We can take out E real quick.
Alright, come on, bring my truck.
Well, open the damn door.
I can't, there's a bunch of people.
Oh. That was some weird shit. Are you gonna help me take it over? Or are you just gonna sit there?
I just died.
Spawn on me, retard.
I can't, you're under fire. Let me drive, get out the tank.
Dude, you're that type of person to laugh at your own jokes. So a guy
That's what
walks
you
into
were
a bar,
doing.
right? A guy walks into This one's a flamethrower one, so get in the back when we get... Oh shit.
Oh wow, flamethrower one, just died.
How did I miss that?
How did I just die?
No, why are people getting out? Get in the flamethrower section, you retards. Why is this
died.
door still here? What? Oh my gosh, that was a glitch. Yes, yes, we're taking it
It's
over.
unlimited?
Yeah. Yes, yes. Put my mixtape in that ammo slot. Yes. 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 Yeah. Let's take over E. Or F, whatever it's called.
We are losing objective Edward.
No, why'd you get out? Oh, that wasn't you. Hit the people, dude.
I can't, I'm on the left side.
Why? Yes, we're taking over E, and I'm just backing up. Dude, we're setting everything on fire. What's going on?
Can you please, what's it called, repair?
I have a feeling if I stand still, someone's gonna kill me. Hold on.
No, you won't. I can't use my weapon anymore.
You ready? Ready? Watch us get stuck. I swear, if we get stuck.
Wow.
Yeah, boy. There. Never mind. I got one. It's all good. Let me run somebody over. Yes. Yes. Yo, get them. How are we doing this? We're raining hell on everybody. This is the I just ran someone over again. Get them, get them, get them, get them, get them. Yes, dude, we're killing him. What is going on? Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. Oh, I thought I was about to run that one over.
Go that way. I got him.
Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. And there, get him. No.
Oh! Get in the tank.
I'm about to get a plane.
Or are you in a bomber?
Why not? What the? How did we lose? We're so